Attribute Eyedropper tool is yet an amazing tool in CorelDRAW. So it's found beneath the color eyedropper tool. So here it is. It's down. So it's used to copy object attributes such as fill, outline, size, and effect, and apply them to other objects or tests. So you can copy this gradient to one of this. So let's dive in. So here it is. You click on the tool. Once you drag on it, click on this. If you click on this, you can copy the gradient to this. As the attribute. So you can still click here, select object attribute. So click on this and select. Can you see? The outline has been copied. The gradient, which is the fill, has also been copied from this to this. So click on this again to copy this to this. Can you see? It's amazing. Copy this, click on this, select object tool on the properties bar. So click on this upper one, click on this with your left click. So this is how it works. Can you see how amazing it is? That is very easy and interesting. So meet you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. You're welcome.